There are approximately 100 billion galaxies in the universe, with each galaxy containing 100 million stars. There are going to be a few oddballs in the universe with so many stars. Many of the dazzling glowing balls of a gas behave similarly, but some are unique and even terrifying for their size, weight, and behavior. Are you fascinated by the most unusual and terrifying stars? Well, hang tight till the end, as in this video, we are going to talk about the most unique and terrifying stars in the universe. Welcome to Space Discoveries. Subscribe to the channel for every single detail about the new discoveries in the vastness of the space. Also, do not forget to hit that bell icon for new updates. That being said, let's begin. Scientists continue to examine the stars with improved telescopes to gain a deeper understanding of them and the universe. But there are still a lot of unanswered questions. Over the years, they have found several stars which are bizarre, unique, and even terrifying. Some of them are Magnetar SGR 180620. This is a terrifyingly dreadful force that exists in our universe. Astronomers discovered a bright flash 50,000 light-years away that bounced off the moon and lit up the Earth's atmosphere for 10 seconds. Scientists wondered if another solar flare like it would result in an extinction event on Earth. Then there's PSR J 1841-0500. Their pulsing light beams are known for being regular and continuous. Pulsars are rapidly spinning stars that seldom stop spinning. This star, on the other hand, shocked scientists by doing just that for 580 days. Scientists hope that examining it will help them learn more about pulsars. Then there's PSR J 1748-2446. It's the universe's fastest spinning object, which is the strangest aspect of it. Its density is 50 trillion times that of lead. Furthermore, its magnetic field is a trillion times stronger than that of our Sun. In a nutshell, it's a star that's just too active. Next, SDSS J090745.0 plus 024507. Yes, it is an absurdly long name for a celebrity. The star was thrown off of its orbit by a supermassive black hole and is now traveling fast enough to escape the Milky Way. Let's just hope one of these fleeing celebrities doesn't come crashing down on us. Next, we've got Fomalhaut C. If you thought a double star system was cool, wait until you see this one. It's a triple star system, only 25 light-years away from Earth. While triple star systems aren't uncommon, this one is unusual in that the stars are far apart rather than close together. This star is a long way from both A and B. Next, Swift J 1654 plus 57. Black hole's hunger knows no bounds. A dormant black hole awoke and consumed a star in the Swift J 1644 plus 57 instance. Isn't it terrifying? The discovery was made in 2011 using X-ray and radio frequencies. It took 3.9 billion light-years for the event's light to reach Earth. Next, IRS 3B L1448. This triple star system was spotted just as it was forming by astronomers. They saw his two young stars spin around a much older star using the ALMA telescope in Chile. These two newborn stars, they believe, were formed by a nuclear reaction in the revolving plasma around a star. After that, we have Mira. Mira, commonly known as Omicron Ceti, is a 420 light-year distant star with a peculiar brightness that fluctuates constantly. It's thought to be a fading star nearing the conclusion of its life. The fact that it's traveling through space at 80 miles per second and has a tail a few light-years long is even more incredible. PSR J 1719-1438b is next. This star isn't technically a star, although it was once. It was once a star, but another star stripped away its outer layers, changing it into a little planet. What's even more incredible about this former star is that it's now essentially a 5 times larger diamond planet. Then we got Ogle TR122b. Most planets resemble pebbles due to their average stellar size. However, in the case of this star, it is nearly the same size as Jupiter. That's correct. It is the universe's tiniest star. It is thought to have started as a stellar run a few billion years ago, according to scientists. It's the first time they've discovered a star the size of a planet. La Superba is next on the list. It's a gigantic big star 800 light-years away from us. It has a mass of 3 times that of our Sun and a diameter of 4 astronomical units. On Earth, it's so brilliant that it can be viewed with the naked eye. Next, my Camelopardalis. This star was originally assumed to be a single bright star, but it was later determined to be 2 stars that are so close together that they are virtually touching. The 2 stars are gradually merging to form a single star. Nobody knows when they'll be completely integrated. Next, SGR 041 plus 5729. A magnetar, 6,500 light-years from Earth, has the universe's strongest magnetic field. It doesn't fit the pattern of conventional magnetars, which have a surface magnetic field similar to regular neutron stars. Kepler 47 is next. Astronomers have discovered a pair of planets orbiting two stars in the constellation Cygnus, 4,900 light-years away from Earth, for the first time. This system is known as the Kepler-47 system. Every 7.5 days, the orbiting stars eclipse each other. One star is almost the same size as our Sun, but only 84% is luminous. The discovery indicates that more than one planet can exist in a binary star system's demanding orbit. That's fine and all, but with tattooing, we already knew that. KIC 8462-2852 is the next star. SETI and astronomers have been closely watching and studying the star system because of its peculiar behavior. It dims by 20% now and then, which could indicate that something is orbiting it. Of course, some people have already assumed it's aliens. That's quite disturbing. Another possibility is that debris from a comet has collided with the star. Vega comes next. The fifth brightest star in the night sky is Vega, but that's not the strange part. With a rotational speed of 600,000 miles per hour, it takes on an egg-shaped shape rather than being spherical like our Sun. Temperature changes, cooling, and the equator are all features of this planet. Next, we have heavy metal subdwarfs. Astronomers have discovered a couple of stars with a lot of lead in their atmospheres, causing thick and heavy clouds to form around them. HE 2359-2844 and HE 1256-2738 are the numbers. Both are located at a distance of 801,000 light-years. However, you can just refer to them as heavy metal subdwarfs. Scientists are still baffled as to how they come to be. Next, RxJ 1856.5-3754. Neutron stars lose energy and cool down inexorably from the time they are born. As a result, it's unusual for a 100,000-year-old neutron star like this one to be so hot while showing no evidence of activity. According to scientists, interstellar material can be caught in the star's dense gravitational field, generating enough energy to heat it. Next, SAO 206462 is a standard operating procedure. This is a strange and unusual star in the cosmos, with two spiraling arms whirling 14 million miles across. While certain galaxies are known to have arms, stars are known to be devoid of them. This star, according to scientists, is in the process of forming planets. Next, there's 2-mass JO 523-1403. This peculiar star, which is only 40 light-years distant, is very probably the tiniest known star in the cosmos. Scientists believe it can live for 12 trillion years due to its modest size and bulk. R136A1 is the next star. While UY Scuti is the world's biggest star, this is unquestionably one of the universe's heaviest elements. It has a mass 265 times that of our Sun. What makes it so strange is that we have no idea how it came to be. It is thought to have originated as a result of the merger of several stars. Then there's PSR B1257+12. Yes, it does have a strange name. The majority of exoplanets in our solar system have this and are surrounded by lethal radiation from their former star. The strange thing about their star is that it's a dead pulsar or zombie star, yet the core still exists. The solar system becomes a virtual no man's land as a result of the radiation it emits. The star of Methuselah is next. HD 140283, commonly known as Methuselah, is a star that lives true to its name. Some have put the age at 16 billion years, which is incorrect because the Big Bang happened 13.8 billion years ago. Astronomers tried to date the star using more modern aging techniques, but it was still 14 billion years old. Next is the Thorne-Zitkow object. Kip Thorne and Zitkow were the first to propose it as a hypothesis. The Thorne-Zitkow object is the result of the merger of two stars, a neutron star and a red supergiant star. They found HV 2112 as a possible candidate for this type of star. Finally, UY Scuti. Consider a hypergiant massive star. UY Scuti is so terrifyingly massive that it could engulf our star, half of our neighboring planets, and almost the entirety of our solar system. It has a radius that is around 1,700 times that of our Sun. So, tell us in the comments, do you like our list? And which one did you find more weird or menacing? Also, if you want to get more informative videos like this, subscribe to this channel and smash the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on new updates. We will see you in the next one.